Jay, calm down. Seriously.
You're making me so bad, it hurts.
You're gonna get a hernia from this.
I don't care. I have a lot to sign for weeks.
Oh my god.
Or months.
I feel bad. Tess, why? Look what you did! I will hurt you, my slave. Oh my god.
My brain hurts. It won't stop. I'm going up inside my brain.
Tess, just don't say anything.
You help too.
Oh my god. Tess!
The way you're saying Tess just makes it
What is life anymore? I'm gonna go get the bleach. Oh my god. Why?
This is the dude Iron right now.
I'm gonna sit in the corner and just think about what I did. Why? Why? God.
I don't know why. I'm sorry. He provides the cancer. He eats the cancer.
Oh my god.
So I'm pregnant.
Oh, you probably are pregnant.
Sir, you okay?
Oh my god. Jay, this is a butt toe to flow me.
I feel like my butt's on fire.
Who needs brain cells when you got slag points?
Who needs brain cells when you got a 9-inch 3/4 dick?
Oh yeah, fucking Ron Jeremy. Let's go.
Dick.
Oh my god. That was great.
That's a huge dick.
Of course, only Jay would say that's a huge dick. Only Jay would say that. Oh no.
Sniper, I'm watching for you.
What?
We got fucked by a
Oh my god, Tess! You're gonna kill Jay! You can hear him screaming in pain. It hurts. It hurts. Tess! Don't! It's bad. Tess, don't! It's bad enough!